Hi everyone, this is Tom from Amitime. Today I would like to introduce our new pool heat pump series, the Aries Full Inverter series. The Aries series is designed to bring users a smarter, more comfortable and energy-efficient pool heating experience while perfectly fitting modern outdoor living spaces. First of all, Aries uses the natural refrigerant R290, which is considered a more environmental friendly refrigerant, and with its low GWP, it not only helps reduce the environmental impact but also deliver excellent energy efficiency for stable pool heating. Secondly, Aries is specially designed for narrow walkways and compact insulation spaces. Unlike side-discharge units, the Aries series features a top-discharge airflow design, which prevents cold air from blowing horizontally and allows for more flexible insulation options. At the same time, Aries offers a wide capacity range from 50 kW to 36 kW, with excellent COP performance under working conditions of 26 degrees air temperatures and 26 degrees water temperatures. This helps users meet different pool heating demands while reducing energy consumption and operating costs, delivering a stable and comfortable swimming pool experience. Powered by advanced full inverter technology, Aries also delivers quiet operation. In silent mode, the unit can run quietly through the night without disturbing daily life or outdoor relax. In addition, Aries features a modern and elegant appearance design. It can perfectly bond into gardens and various outdoor scenarios, becoming a natural part of modern outdoor living. In short, Aries combines environmental responsibilities, insulation flexibilities, high efficiency, and quiet comfort, and premium design into one complete pool heating solution. Thanks for watching and welcome to learn more about this series. Thank you.